welcome back to Homeschool. This is the continuation of your SSLC Mathematics Model Question Paper for the academic year 2022-23. This is your Part 4. In this part, we are going to discuss 5th main and the 6th main. With this, we are going to complete this question paper. 5th main, answer the following questions. In this, you will be having 4 questions, each carries 4 marks. 4 4s are 16 marks. 34th problem. Find the solution of the given pair of linear equations by graphical method. And the equations are x plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Solve these two equations and get the solution graphically. Consider x plus y is equal to 5, or you can mark it first equation, you can say, and second equation. Rewrite this in the form of y is equal to transpose plus x other side, that will be minus x. Y is equal to 5 minus x. Draw a table. X, y, x comma y. At least 3 coordinates needed here. And next, similarly do partition and consider the second equation. What is that? 2x plus y is equal to 7. Rewrite in y form. Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Again take a small table. X, y, x comma y. Right? Now observe the two equations. How will be the graph? You can guess. How? Observe a1 by a2, 1 by 2. b1 by b2, 1 by 1, that is 1. That means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So what you can say? That two lines are intersecting graphically. If they are intersecting graphically, they will be having one solution. So first, in any rough column, try to solve these two equations roughly, right, to guess the answer. Right, without any mistake, if you need, you can solve these two equations in rough column. So let me solve these two equations, but don't do in answer paper. Rough column you try to do. By elimination method, I do this. Subtract, y minus y cancel. X minus 2x is minus x. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus minus cancel, x is equal to 2. Right? So that 2 value I want. So put in table middle 2 and then manage any other numbers. 2 before any number, let me take 0. 2 after one number, let me take 4. Here also same manner, 0, 2, 3. Right? Same numbers not needed. Any number you can take. Now, how to write this? If x is equal to 0. Observe properly. If x is equal to 0, substitute x value in that. Y is equal to 5 minus 0. That will be 5. So write here 5. Coordinate is 0, 5. And same manner, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 minus 2. That is 3. 2, 3 is the coordinate. And again, if x is equal to 4, in the place of x substitute 4, 5 minus 4, that will be 1. 4, 1. Right? And now consider another table. 0, 2, 3 I have taken here. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. Substitute in place of x 0. That is equal to 2 into 0 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. Coordinate is 0, 7. And next, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2. That is 7 minus 4. It will be 3. So mark here 2, 3. And next, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. 7 minus 3 to the 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 comma 1. Right? So, now next step. In a graph sheet. Take a graph sheet. I am doing on a board. You please take a graph sheet. Mark x-axis. And this is y-axis. Y dash, x dash. This is 0 origin. Now, here how do you take scale? On x-axis, I can see up to 4. Right? So, I will take each centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 3, 4, 5 like this. And this side negative numbers. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And now consider y-axis. 5, 3, 1, 7, 3, 1. That means 7 is the largest number. So, I can plot 7 digits easily. So, I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Same manner here, negative scale. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. And right side top scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Similarly, on y-axis, same manner 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Compulsory this one. Now start plotting this one. 0, 5, first coordinate. 0, 5 here. Right? And you can put a cross mark or a round. Next 2, 3. Next 4, 1. Yes, around here. So now actually this is a rough graph, children. Exactly you will get a straight line. Okay. So you should not manage anything here. You will get a straight line. Take a sharp and a dark pencil. Now write the coordinates 4, 1, 2, 3, and here it is 0, 5. And next, write the equation for that. X plus y is equal to 5. Okay, one equation shown graphically. Now see another table. 0, 7 somewhere here. 2, 3 here. 3, 1. So observe one more line. See how it is like this. Right? Again same manner coordinates. 3, 1, 2, 3 already there. And this one will be 0, 7. Now the two lines are intersecting. Yes or no? At a point 2, 3. And write this line equation. It is 2x plus y is equal to 7. And now the intersecting point. That coordinate is very important. Make a dotted line. Do perpendiculars. Right? And now what is this? This is x value. X is equal to 2. And this is y is equal to 3. This is the way you should show the solution graphically. Right? So statement wise, therefore, the two equations x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus y is equal to 7 are intersecting graphically. at 2, 3. That is, or you can write therefore the solutions of the two equations are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. See children, completely if you follow these steps neatly, definitely you are going to score 4 out of 4. I have done roughly without a graph sheet. You please do neatly with a dark and sharp pencil and using scale and all. Definitely you will score 4 out of 4 for this, right? 35. State and prove basic proportionality theorem, or it is Thales theorem. So this is a direct theorem. You can write the theorem properly following 5 steps. That is statement, data, to prove, construction, proof. And in an order, write neatly with the figure. Definitely you are going to score 4 out of 4. So coming to your next problem, 36th problem. As observed from the top of a building standing vertically on the ground. So let us draw this figure. Let me draw, already given in your question paper this figure. So you can see the figure here. 30 degree P C B A, and this is angle of depression 60 degree. Right. Now let me read the problem. As observed from the top of a building. Can you see? AB is a building. From top of a building standing vertically on the ground. Building is standing vertically on the ground. The angle of depression of a point C. From this point, top of a building to depression to a point C. Angle is 60 degree. From the foot B of the building. And your next point, from foot B of the building, when moved through point C in a straight line and observe the top of the building from point P. See, understand properly, there is a building. From the top of a building, the angle of depression to a point C on the ground is 60 degree. See here, your angle from here to here, right? And in the same manner, from the foot of the building, from point B to C, it is moving in a straight line to a point P. If the angle of elevation has to be 30 degree. See, from the point P now, the angle of elevation to the top of a building is how much? 30 degree. Then show that the distance moved from C to P, that means CP, is twice the distance BC. So finally what we need to prove? They asked us to prove CP is equal to twice BC. The problem is very simple, but you have to understand the problem carefully. So let's see once again. There is a building, AB is a building. From top of the building to a point C on the ground, the angle of depression is 60 degree. So you need a horizontal line, and now angle of depression is 60 degree. And now from foot of the building through point C, moving in a straight line to point P. From that point, the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 30 degree. So they asked us to prove that the distance CP is twice the distance BC. Prove CP is equal to 2BC is your question. So don't worry. First, write the statements properly. AB is a building, depression angle, elevation angle. This is all write neatly. And now observe, it is perpendicular. Now this depression angle, I can say that horizontal is parallel. These two lines are parallel. So I can alternate this depression angle here. This 60 degree and this will be now 60 degree. Now let us assume height of the building as h and BC x, CP y. So to prove y is equal to 2x. So let us start proving this problem by considering, first consider the right triangle ABC. Consider right triangle ABC. Observe, this is acute angle, opposite adjacent. Which ratio? Tan ratio, tan 60 degree is equal to AB by BC. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. AB is h, BC is x. h is equal to x root 3. Mark it first equation. And now consider another right triangle. Consider another right triangle ABP. And now your angle is tan 30 degree is equal to, consider the big right triangle, opposite, adjacent. So it is AB by BP. Tan 30 degree, it is 1 by root 3. AB, H, BP, x plus y. H is equal to x plus y by root 3. Cross multiply, mark it 2. Now consider the equations 1 and 2. Consider equation 1 and 2. You can equate h is equal to x root 3, h is equal to x plus y by root 3. Then you can equate directly these two. X root 3 is equal to x plus y by root 3. Send this root 3 here. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3x is equal to x plus y. So this x transpose 3x minus x is equal to y. 2x is equal to y. Or you can rewrite it as y is equal to 2x. Observe here, y is nothing but CP and x is nothing but BC. Hence it is proved. That's it. Very easily you can prove this. And please include verbal statements here. Therefore, the distance CP is twice the distance BC. Right? Therefore, CP is equal to 2BC. Hence it is proved. 37th problem. The sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is 222. That means given sum of n terms is equal to 222 and sum of its first n minus 1 terms is 187. Sum of first n minus 1 terms is 187. If the first term of an arithmetic progression is 2, that means first term is represented by a is equal to 2. Then find the arithmetic progression. What is the arithmetic progression is your question. So observe the question carefully. Sum of n terms given, sum of n minus 1 terms given, a given. So you need to find arithmetic progression. So I remember immediately a formula, that is an is equal to Sn minus 1. Do you remember? Yes. So now substitute that 222 minus 187. An is equal to, subtract these two, 12 minus 7 it will be 5, 11 minus 8 will be 3 and this will be 1 minus 1, 0. 35. I got nth term 35. I can say nth term either it may be an or L. Right? Now again take Sn and write Sn formula. When you know first term and last term, Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. You know L, you know a and Sn also you know. Substitute all those. Sn value is 222. We don't know n by 2 into a value is 2 plus L value is 35. Send this 2 here. That is 444 is equal to 35 plus 2 will be 37n. And again n is equal to 444 by 37. Let's try to cancel. 37 ones are 37 and here it will be 774. 37 twos are 74. Therefore n is equal to 12. N you know, A you know, An you know, can't you find D? Yes, we can find. So let me take here. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An, what is An? N value is 12. So let me write here. A12 is equal to, A value is 2, n value is 12 minus 1 and we don't know d. A12 value is an is last term, that value is 35 is equal to 2 plus 12 minus 1 11 d. Transpose this to this side. 35 minus 2 is equal to 11d. 11d is equal to 33. At a time reverse. D is equal to 33 by 11. 11 3 is a 33. So therefore finally what I can say, I know first term and common difference, I can write the arithmetic progression. Therefore arithmetic progression is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, so on. So now what is a here? We know a 2, d 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 2 into 3, 2 plus 3 into 3, so on. So finally 2, 5, 8, 11, so on. Therefore the arithmetic progression is 2, 5, 8, 11, so on. So let me repeat this problem. Sn is given, S of n minus 1 given, first term given. So immediately we remember an is equal to Sn minus S of n minus 1. So substitute, you get the nth term or a last term, that is 35. You know a and the last term and Sn also known. So write Sn formula, substitute all these values in order to find n. So finally what you come to know, there are 12 terms, right? Last term is 12th term. Write an formula. A12 is equal to 2 plus 12 minus 1 11 d. Substitute a value, n value, you are going to get d value. D is 3. If you know a and d, you can write arithmetic progression. Yes, is this clear? In this we have one more or question. The last term of an arithmetic progression consisting of 12 terms is 37. What did you understand here? The last term of arithmetic progression consisting of 12 terms. If there are 12 terms, then what will be the last term? 12th term, right? So, given 12th term A12 is equal to 37. If the sum of the two middle terms of the progression is 41. Sum of the middle terms, how can we guess? 12, it is an even number. 12 by 2, it will be 6. Right? 6 is not a middle term. 6 and the next number, the middle two terms means 6 and the 7th term. That is, sum of two middle terms A6 plus A7 of the progression is 41. Then find the arithmetic progression and also the sum of the terms of the arithmetic progression. What did they ask here? Find the AP. Okay. Find the arithmetic progression and also the sum of the terms of the arithmetic progression. So that means another question here is yes, 12. Sum of the terms means we have 12 terms. So sum of 12 terms. How can we proceed this? Consider this one A12. In general form, how can we write? A12 can be written as A plus 11D is equal to 37. And now this one A6 can be written as A plus 5D. A7 can be written as A plus 6D is equal to 41. Add these two. A plus 8 will be 2A plus 5D plus 6D, it will be 11D is equal to 41. First equation and this is second equation. Observe the equation carefully. Here only you get the answer. No need of prolonging the problem. We know 12th term, that means A plus 11D is 37. Observe this 2A plus 11D. This 2A, I can rewrite it as A plus 11D is equal to 41. In the place of a plus 11d, I can substitute 37. Then go with it. You can write here substitute equation 1 in above. Right? A plus 37 is equal to 41. A is equal to transpose other side. 41 minus 37, A is equal to 4. Right? Now, we got A. We can find D. How? Substitute this A value in any one of the equation. Substitute A is equal to 4 in equation 1. Right? A plus 11d is equal to 37. This 4 right here. 4 plus 11d is equal to 37. 11d is equal to 37 minus 4. 11d is equal to 33. Now 11 transpose other side. 33 by 11. 11 3s are. Then the common difference is 3. Okay, to find arithmetic progression, A and D are enough. So, the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, general form of the arithmetic progression. So, directly you can substitute A and D value. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 2 into 3, so on. 4 plus 3 will be 7, then 6 plus 4 will be 10, so on. Therefore, the arithmetic progression is 4, 7, 10, so on. Half of the problem is completed. Then coming to next half, find the sum of these terms. That means sum of 12 terms. See children, SN formula, if you know first term and the last term, A12 is nothing but the last term. Then your SN formula will be SN is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. N value is 12. 12 by 2 into A value is how much? 4 we got. Last term how much given? 37. 12 by 2 it will be 6. 37 plus 4 it will be 41. Multiply. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. Therefore, the sum of 12 terms is 246. So, this is your answer. Right? The same problem we can do in another way. What is that? See, up to here is same. Then, by solving 1 and 2, by either elimination or any method, find A value, D value. After getting A, D value, general form of AP arithmetic progression you can write. Then after getting A and D, directly you can go for SN formula. So instead of substituting, you can solve the two equations also. Okay, is this clear? Sixth main, answer the following question. In this we will be having only one question that carries 5 marks. 5 into 1, 5 marks. 38th one. A metal memento has to be prepared by placing a solid sphere on a solid cylinder as shown in the figure. You can see the figure here. A solid cylinder and a sphere is placed on the top of a cylinder. Find quantity of the metal required to prepare this memento. Immediately underline a point. Find quantity. Quantity means volume. Find quantity of the metal sheet required to prepare this memento such that the radius of the cylinder is 6 cm and its height is 14 cm and the radius of the sphere is 2.1 cm. And also calculate the cost of painting the surface of the sphere. Next question. First question, we need to find the quantity of the metal memento. Quantity in the sense volume of a cylinder plus volume of a sphere. And your next question, calculate the cost of painting, not full solid, only painting a sphere. Surface of the sphere with golden color at the rate of 10 pies per centimeter square. So cost 10 pies per centimeter square. Let's start the solution by writing the given data. Given radius cylinder, let me mark it 1, sphere, let me mark it 2. That is radius of cylinder. Why 1, 2 I have marked here? Let me mark it R1 is equal to 6 centimeter. And next, height of the cylinder. Height of cylinder H1 is equal to 14 centimeter. And next, radius of sphere. Let me write R2 is equal to 2.1 centimeter. What is your first question? Find the quantity of the memento. Quantity means volume. Volume of metal memento is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. What is volume of a cylinder formula? Pi R1 square H1. Actually pi R square H. But here you have two solids. So separate it with R1, R2. So pi R1 square H1 plus volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. Is there anything common? Yes. Pi is common. Take out common. R1 square H1 plus 4 by 3 R2 cube. Pi value is 22 by 7. R1 6 whole square H1 into 14 plus 4 by 3 into R2 2.1. So let me write 21 by 10 into 21 by 10 into 21 by 10. 2.1 we can write it as 21 by 10. So now is there any cancellation? 3 7s and here you can go with cancellation, but as it is, keep as it is. 22 by 7 into 6 6 36. 36 into 14. 4 6 24, 12, 14. And this is 36, 4, 10, 5. 504. See, 6 6 36. 36 into 14 is 504. Plus, multiply this, children. 7 4s are 28. 28 into 21. First, let's do with 121. 28. Then again 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 5. Okay. 8. 8. 5. Then again with 588, you have another 21. Multiply 21. So this will be 588. Then with 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 17. 2 5s are 10. 11. 8. 14. 8 9 10. 13. 2 1 2 3 4 8. By, observe here, 1 2 3 4 8 by 1000. How much you have? By 1000. So 22 by 7 into 504 plus 12.348. Shall I write? Decimal convert. Now add these two. 504 plus 12.348. That will be 615. 516.348. Right? Let's see, will it cancel? Yes. 7 sevens are 49. And here 2 left, 26. 7 threes are 21. 5 left, 53. 7 sevens are 49. Again 4 left, 44. 7 six are 42. Again it is 28. 7 fours are 28. That means, let me continue the problem here, is equal to 22 into 7, 3.764. Now multiply. What you are going to get? So let me do multiplication here into 22. 8, 12, 15, 6, 7, 14. And again 1, 4, 7, 5, 2, 8. Add 8 and here 12, 6, 1, 6 and here you have a decimal point. So 1, 6 to 2.808 centimeter cube. So therefore, what you can write here? Therefore, volume of the memento is equal to 1622.808 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of the metal memento is equal to 1622.808 centimeter cube. With this, half of the problem is completed. We have one more half, that is another sub question asked. What is that? Find the cost of painting the sphere with a gold color, and the cost of painting this sphere will be 10 paisa per centimeter square, it seems. So first we need to find the surface area of the sphere. So let me find total surface area of sphere is equal to, what is total surface area of a sphere formula? 4 pi r square. Always remember, 4 times area of a circle you remember. 4 pi r square. So substitute 4 pi value 22 by 7. Radius of the sphere is 2.1. Let me write it as 21 by 10 into 21 by 10. And now 7 threes are 21. Now multiply. So 4 threes are 12. 12 into 22, it will be 24, 264. See here, 3 fours are 12, 12 22s are 264. Again multiply for this 21. This will be 264. 4 2s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 4 5, 4, 14, 5 5 4 4. So this will be 5544 by 10 tens are 100. So decimal convert 55.44 centimeter square. Right? We got total surface area of the sphere. Is the answer completed? No. We need to find the cost. Cost of painting is equal to 55.44 into, if you are saying in paisa, you need to multiply only 10. But in rupees you should say. So for that, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 10 paisa means 10 by 100. So 1 0, another 0 will be cancelled. Now 55.44 by 10. Shift one more decimal. That will be 5.544 rupees is your cost of painting the sphere. Is this clear? So once again look here carefully. First, quantity of the metal memento means volume of a cylinder plus volume of a sphere. Cost of painting the sphere. See here, you need to ignore the point which touches the cylinder. So complete total surface area we need to calculate. So first find the total surface area of the sphere. Then cost 10 paisa per centimeter square there. The total surface area what you get, you multiply 10 by 100, you are going to get the cost. Is this clear? So with this, I am going to complete this question paper. So in this part, you will be having only these two mains, but in our next video, I am going to release a mix of all parts in a single video. So that if you watch that video, complete answers for the model paper will be available. Thank you all. Wish you all a good luck. And we are going to meet in our next paper. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.